Welcome back. In today's video, we'll learn about Jira for Business Analysts. In this presentation, we'll explore how business analysts use Jira to manage requirements, write user stories, handle acceptance criteria, refine backlogs, and collaborate with the teams. Jira is one of the most important tools in agile environments, especially for BA, Scrum Masters, and product owners. A business analyst plays a crucial role in Jira. They use the platform to capture business requirements, convert them into epic and user stories, refine the backlog, and ensure every requirement is properly documented and understood. BAs act as the bridge between stakeholders and development team, using Jira as a central communication and tracking tool. One of the PA's main responsibilities is gathering requirements and converting them into epics, user stories, and tasks inside Jira. Each requirement is documented with clear descriptions, attachments, notes, and acceptance criteria. Jira helps bring clarity to the entire team by presenting requirements in an organized, trackable format. A strong user story follows the format. As a user, I want what's the goal so that it adds its value. Business analyst ensures each story is meaningful, actionable, and testable. A good story focuses on the user's perspective and provides value. It also must be small enough to be completed within a sprint and have clear acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria define the conditions under which story is considered complete. They make expectations crystal clear for developers and testers. The most common format is the given, when, then structure. By adding acceptance criteria in Jira, BAs help prevent misunderstandings and ensures the features behaves exactly as intended. Backlog grooming, also known as backlog refinement, is an ongoing BA activities in Jira. During grooming, BAs review user stories, update descriptions, clarify requirements, attach the documents, set priority levels, and ensure the stories are ready for future sprints. A well-groomed backlog helps the Scrum team plan sprints more effectively. Epic represents large requirements, too big to complete in a single sprint. Business analysts break these epics into smaller, actionable user stories. This breakdown makes it easier for developers to deliver value incrementally. BAs ensure each story is independent, testable, and delivers meaningful functionality. Using Jira for documentation, Jira allows business analysts to attach relevant documentation directly to issues. This includes flowcharts, wireframes, diagrams, process documents, and screenshots. By keeping everything in Jira, BAs ensure that the development and testing teams have all the information they need in one space. A workflow in Jira defines how issues move from one status to another. Typical statuses include to do, in progress, in review, and done. BAs ensure that the workflow matches the actual business process. They work with a Scrum Master or Jira admin to refine workflows and remove blockers that may slow down development. Jira provides several reports useful for business analysts. Velocity charts help estimate how much work the team can complete each sprint. Burn-down charts show daily progress during a sprint. Epic progress reports, release reports, and cumulative flow diagrams helps identify bottlenecks and track long-term trends. These reports support better decision making and planning. Jira improves collaboration between business analysts, developers, testers, and product owners. Using comments, mentions, and attachments, BAs can communicate changes, clarify the requirements, and answer team questions. This keeps discussion centralized, traceable, and easy to reference at any time. Traceability is an important part of a BA's work. In Jira, issues can be linked together using relationships such as blocks, relates to, or is a child of. This helps track dependencies and maintain clarity from requirements to test cases and deliverables. Traceability ensures that nothing is missed during development or testing. To conclude, Jira is one of the most essential tools for business analysts. It helps documents requirement, break tasks down, collaborates with team, manages the sprint, and ensures delivery quality. Thanks for watching this video.